I'm a blood microscopist, and what we do is we prick a finger, take your blood, and we look at it. It's a demonstration. And what it tells you is it tells you pretty much a lot of things about what people are doing, how they're living, how they're aging, free radical cell damage in their body. And I did someone's blood, a 33-year-old general contractor in Sheboygan, Wisconsin, at my health food store. And we did his blood, so I'll show you what his blood looks like, and here it is. As you see, his blood's all reload together. It's aggregated. Healthy blood should look perfectly round, evenly shaped, freely floating in plasma that should be clear. If you look in the plasma here very carefully, you'll see these black chicken scratches, if you will, black lines. Those are called liver spicules. And a lot of times you'll see liver stress caused by liver stress. Maybe the body's not absorbing well, it's maybe not absorbing, maybe low in minerals, could be possibly low in digestive enzymes. Well, we have a product that I was asked to try, because I was a little skeptical when I heard that it changes the blood in 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes. So I brought some of the stuff home with me to my health store, and we did his blood, obviously, as you see, and we after doing his blood, we sprayed this in his mouth. We gave 5 sprays, and 2 minutes later we redid his blood. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the results. Now the general contractor was pretty, he was like, his mouth dropped. I was very surprised, because I was really kind of looking to see if this would really change his blood. But he was so, I pricked this finger on his left hand, but when I redid his blood, I did it on his right hand. So he was like, wait a minute, re-prick this finger, the same one you did the first time. So I did. I said, okay, that's fair. So now about 4 minutes have gone by, and to my amazement, folks, I want to show you what it looks like. As you see, the blood is flying turbo fast across the screen. A total drastic change from when we first did his blood 4 minutes prior. And I'll tell you what, as a microscopist, I've been doing microscopy for about 10 years, well, about 11 years. I've done over 5,000 clients. I'm a live cell demonstrator, microscopy teacher, instructor. I've instructed and taught over 50 people in the United States. And I've never seen a product do what this product just did in less than 5 minutes.